Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are going to look into the lead code problem 796 rotate string. So given two strings s and goal, return true if and only if s can become goal after some number of shifts on s. A shift on s consists of moving the leftmost character of s to the rightmost position. So for example, A, B, C, D, E, if this is the string, then we can take this first character A and put it at the end of the string. So it becomes B, C, D, E, A. So we have been asked to find out if the goal string can be achieved by doing these kind of rotations repeatedly. So for example, if you take this string S A B C D E and the goal is C D E A B, so if we do two rotations, the first rotations is this B C D E A, and the second rotation we will take the B, which is first letter, and we will put it at the end, so it becomes C D. Basically it will become a goal like C D E A B. So that's why we are returning true. So to solve this problem, I just took the same example. So it's like ABCD is the given string and our goal is CDEAB. So to achieve, to find out if the goal can be achieved by doing the rotations, the easiest way we can do is we can just take the original string, which is like ABCDE, and we will append that string with the same string like ABCDE. So it becomes like ABCDE and ABCDE, and then we have to only find out the goal is a substring of this string. So you can see the goal is has that string as a substring. So if you look at this combined string, then you will see CDEAB is the substring of the string, so we will return true. So let's look at the implementation. First we will check if both strings are null, we'll just return true. Then second thing, we want to make sure as the both strings length is same, otherwise we will just return false. Else we will just append the given string to itself, and we will look for the string goal. If it contains the goal, then we will just return true, otherwise we will return false. So let's just quickly run the test case. So it's working fine, so let's just give it a submit. Yeah, so solution is accepted. So I'm going to post this solution to my GitHub account. I'll give you the link in the description, you can take a look there. So this is how we can solve the rotate string problem. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel and give a like to my video. Thank you.